How to make a textured collagraph plate. What is a collagraph plate? A collagraph is a relief printing plate made by collaging cardboard and other textured materials together. Because the collagraph plate has a raised, textured surface, multiple rubbings or prints can be made with a textured image. To make a textured collagraph plate, you first need to gather your materials. You will need thin cardboard boxes, like cereal and snack boxes, textured papers, thick cardboard scraps, glue, and scissors. First, trim one piece of cardboard to create one large piece. This will be your background. Save the small pieces to use later when creating your surface image. Experiment with cutting, crumpling, and tearing to create the shapes in your landscape. Overlap and layer the pieces to create a depth of space in your image. Thicker cardboard can be peeled to reveal the textured layer inside. Cut smaller, more detailed shapes from smooth, thin cardboard. When you are happy with the arrangement, carefully glue each shape. Remember, ... not a lot. When you are finished, you can create textured rubbings of your collagraph plate using a piece of paper and a peeled crayon. Hold the paper still while rubbing the flat side of the crayon across the page, revealing the textured surface image. Admire your work. Your collagraph plate and textured rubbing are complete.